This is the official sign-off for the Clayranger503 Network Channel. This network will be signing off for good and will be fully replaced by the EAS division under contract to the 503 TTS Network Channel. But before we commence with the sign-off, we will be conducting the final test of the emergency alert system on this network. Again, the following is only a test. This channel had begun operations way back in October of 2008, a little more than a month after the launch of the Clayranger503 channel on YouTube, broadcasting from a TV studio located within downtown Rothville City. From there, broadcasting operations for this network have been running solid up until early September of 2011. A few weeks after that, the network had ceased operations and has remained off the air. That is, until around mid-May of 2016, almost 5 years since the day it ceased broadcast. However, unlike before, the network channel did not resume in the Rothville City-based studio. Instead, it resumed at the 503 TTS Productions studios, after they agreed to resume operations under the same network channel up until now. As mentioned before, the Clayranger503 Network Channel will be renamed to the EAS division, and will be under contract to 503 TTS Productions and its respective network channel. And with that said, this concludes the final test of the emergency alert system on the Clayranger503 Network Channel. We hope to see you on the 503 TTS Productions Network Channel. This channel will now cease operations in 10 seconds.